I know sometimes it seems like all the news about the economy is negative.
So today, let's talk about some good economic news. Our money expert, Bruce Helmer from Wealth Enhancement Group, joining us live this morning. Hey, Bruce.
Good morning.
Yeah, so part of this is that, when things are going well, we just sort of say, oh, they're going well. We don't talk about it too much. But when they're not, that's when you start getting the calls.
Heather, I think you're right. And I always talk about this, that if there's a big retraction in the market, if it goes down 750, I will inevitably get some calls from the media to comment on it. But if it goes up 750, my phone doesn't ring. So we do have a tendency to focus on negative things, and I'm guilty of that also. But there's a lot of positive economic news in the last 4 to 6 weeks, and it doesn't seem like it or feel like it because the first 6 months were so bad. We're still kind of hanging on to that.
Okay, so let's start with some of that good news. I think for the first time in a long time, people will feel comfortable checking their 401k statement. The stock market's been up for a couple of weeks now.
That's a great point, AJ. It's the first time since last November we've seen upticks in the market 4 successive weeks. So we certainly haven't made back everything we lost in the first 6 months. But when you open that 401k statement, it looks a lot better now than it did at the end of June.
Inflation, too, Bruce. I mean, it's still not good, but we're getting better news.
Yeah, Heather, I know there's still a lot of people struggling, but it's not as bad as it was 6 weeks ago. Gas is under $4 a gallon at the pump now, and because crude oil costs are down, transportation costs go down. Jet fuel and diesel, those costs are down. So to get our food and our other stuff that we buy, those costs have gone down a little bit. Again, inflation's still high and we have more work to do, but it's a lot better than it was 6 weeks ago.
Unemployment is also down, and we know that the last jobs report actually much better than anticipated.
That's a great point, AJ. We added over 500,000 jobs in July. Unemployment nationally is down to something like 3.5%. That's signs of a good, robust economy, and that's reason for optimism.
Bruce, if we could anticipate what the economy or what the market is going to do in the future, we'd all be billionaires, right? It's very hard to do, but can what has happened over the past 4 to 6 weeks tell us much about the future? Anything about the future?
Heather, I wish I could say yes to the short term, but you're right. That's still a mystery and you need a crystal ball. But if you look historically how bad the first 6 months were, there's only been 4 times in our history where the S&P has dropped 20% or more the first 6 months of the year. And this is the 5th time. The previous 4 times that it happened, the following year, 3 years and 5 years, we saw robust gains in the market. So there's a historical precedent for optimism. And again, I know we're not out of the woods yet, but things certainly feel a lot better today than they did 6 weeks ago. We ought to celebrate that and talk about that and acknowledge that.
See, that's exactly why we have you on the show today, because we can actually start to see the light possibly at the end of the tunnel. Bruce, as always, thanks for your time.
Thanks, you guys. Make it a great day.
Yeah, you too. We can see Bruce every Tuesday right here on Mid-Morning. You can also get more financial advice on his show. It's called Your Money on WCCO Radio, and that is Sunday mornings at 8 a.m.